Good morning, children. Welcome back to the EVS class. Can you hear me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
In last class, what we have learned, a quick recapitulation will do here. In last class, I explained about Earth, the blue planet, why it is called blue planet, why it is called blue planet.
Because 70% of 3/4 of it is covered with water.
Yes, 3/4 of the Earth is covered with water.
With water.
Yes, it reflects about 1/3 of sunlight it receives. The Earth atmosphere scatters the light and creates a blue effect. So it is called a blue planet. And next, other planets of our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Before, we used to consider Pluto also as a planet. Later, what happened? It was later removed from the group of planet. It is now called a dwarf planet because it is too small to be a planet. Okay. So now we take only these planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. In last class, I have explained all the features of these planets. This is our solar system, and this is the way how other planets rotate around the sun in the fixed orbit. And this is the movement of all the planet, how it rotates, how many days it take to rotate. Everything I have explained in last class. Those who have not attended yesterday's class, please watch the video. Okay. And also, I told you to remember all the planet by order. For that, I had given you a clue like my very educated mother just served us 9 pizzas. According to this statement, you can write all the planets in order. My Mercury, very Venus, educated Earth, mother Mars, just Jupiter, serve Saturn, us Uranus, 9 Neptune, pizzas Pluto. Okay. And the next topic is moon. So what is moon? Anyone?
Ma'am, a moon is the natural satellite of Earth.
Yes. A moon is a natural satellite. One of more than 200 moons in a solar system. Do you believe this? There are more than 200 moons in a solar system.
Yes, ma'am.
The only moon of the planet Earth. Earth has one moon. Listen, Earth has one moon, and there are more than 200 moons in a solar system. Pluto and some other dwarf planets, as well as many asteroids, also have small moons. Saturn and Jupiter, the planet of our solar system, Saturn and Jupiter. Just a minute, someone joined. See, the planet of our solar system, Saturn and Jupiter, have the most moons. They have the most moons with dozens orbiting each of the two giant planets. See, Saturn and Jupiter have the most moons, nearly dozens. Mars has two moons, as I said yesterday. How many moons Mars has?
2 moons.
Two moons. Earth has
one moon.
Yes, Earth has one. While at the same time, Venus and Mercury do not have any moon. Okay, where Saturn and Jupiter have the most moons. Saturn and Jupiter have the most moons with dozens orbiting each of the two giant planets. Mars has two moons, Earth has only one, while Venus and Mercury has no moon. Remember this, okay? Total, there are more than 200 moons in our solar system. And next is comets and asteroids. So what it is? Comets and asteroids means, have you ever heard the word Dhoomketu?
Isla.
Dhoomketu?
Yes, ma'am. The
Comets
chunks
means
of rock,
Dhoomketu.
the chunks of rock of metal is called asteroids.
What? Come again? Come again please once
The
again. Who said?
chunks of rocks and the chunks of rocks and of metal is called asteroids.
Yes. There are chunks of rocks and metals found in the solar system. These are called asteroids. Okay. There are chunks of rocks and metals found in our solar system, and that is called asteroids. Scientists think that they are loose material that never form into planets. The main asteroids belt is located between Mars and Jupiter. A comet is a mass of ice, dust, and rocky particles with a long tail. That is called धूमकेतु, जो हम बहुत सारे मूवियों में ऑलरेडी देखे हैं धूमकेतु करके. Yes, see now let's see. Comets and asteroids are referred to by astronomers as near Earth objects. Comets are icy bodies or objects, while asteroids are rocky fragments. Remember, comets means it's a icy body or object, and asteroids are a rocky fragments. It's a rocks and chunks of rocks and metals. Comets and asteroids are remnants from the formation of our solar system 4.6 billion years ago. We'll study more about this. See the comets. Comets means comets come from regions of space very far from the heat and radiation of the sun. So it is icy. So it comets has icy bodies or objects. You can see the picture of comets here. Comets come from regions of space very far from the heat. It is very far from the heat and radiation of the earth. Comets are made of frozen matter while asteroids are rocky fragments. Comets made up of frozen matter. So it is called icy body. See the picture of comets. It is far away from the heat and radiation of the sun. And this is asteroids. What it is?
Asteroids.
How it is looking? It is looking like a rock, stone. Yes?
Big rock. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is looking like big rock. And remember our, just a minute. Yes, remember the picture you are, what I am sharing here, asteroids picture, which looks like a big stone. This asteroids also has moon, a rocky object revolving around the sun. Asteroids is a rocky object revolving around the sun. It is smaller than a planet. Okay, it is smaller than a planet. This is what makes it different from the terrestrial or rocky planets. There are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter in the asteroid belt. See, can you see this asteroid belts? You are able to see the screen, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Just now I shared one screen asteroid belt. आपने देखा asteroid belt का?
No, ma'am.
Can you see this?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what it is.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Teacher.
Yes? See the asteroid belt? What they are? Exactly what asteroids are. Rocky and metallic objects that orbit the sun but are too small to be considered as planets. Okay, what they are? They are rocky and metallic object that orbit the sun, but they are too small to be considered as a planet. No atmosphere. Will not find any atmosphere in asteroids. Diverse group of small celestial bodies in the solar system. Known as minor planet. Asteroids are known as minor planet made up of rock and metal. At the same time, comets means what? Comet, yes.
Comets is among the five particles and
Comets means what?
gases.
It is a icy. Comets are icy bodies or object. Comets are icy bodies or objects, and asteroids are chunks of rock and metal body. See what they are, what asteroids are. They are rocky and metallic objects that orbit the sun but are too small to be considered planets. No atmosphere found. Diverse group of small celestial bodies in the solar system known as minor planet made up of rock and metal. Size and shapes of asteroids. All different shapes and sizes. See the shape and size of asteroids. Is it all the asteroids in one shape?
No, ma'am.
No. Size. There are different, all different shapes and sizes. Nearly spherical. Not exactly nearly spherical. Very irregular. Size ranging very small rocks, very large. Some may very small and some may very large. Very small shapes of asteroids is called as a rocky or chunks of rock or metal body, and very large asteroids is called minor planets. Okay, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Now it is time to raise your doubt. Please, if you have any doubt, ask. Solve your doubt here only. So now tell me the eighth planet of our solar system. Anyone?
Mercury, Venus,
Okay, just a minute. Children, just a minute. Please, just a minute. Okay, okay. Have patience. I will call the name. Only that child should answer. Prem Hiremat. Prem. Prem, you're there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me the 8th planet of our solar system. Yes, Prem?
Ma'am, Neptune.
You have to say in order. Samarth Gumte.
Neptune is solar system.
Samarth. Amay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me the 8 planets of our solar system.
Yes, ma'am. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Very good. Very good. And next question is, why the Earth is called as a blue planet? Who will tell this? Rajveer? Rajveer? Yes, tell.
Because 3/4 of the earth has water.
3/4 of the, once again?
3/4 of the earth has water.
Yes, 3/4 of the earth has water. Very good. Next question is, where do the planets get the light from? Arav? Arav?
Non-planet is from the sun.
Very good. From the sun. What are asteroids and comets? Aditya?
Ma'am, asteroids are chunks of rocks and metal. The comets are bodies of ice.
Yes. The comets has icy bodies. Right? Very good. What is moon? What is moon? Kabir?
Yes, ma'am.
What is moon?
Moon is solar. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Moon?
Moon is
Moon is a natural satellite of a solar system. So total how many moons are there in a planet? In a solar system?
200. 200.
Say,
200.
first you have to understand the question. If I ask how many moons are there in a planet, what you will tell?
There are more than 200 moons in the solar system.
My question is, how many moons are there in our planet?
One man.
Yes. Where we all are living? Where we all are living? We all are living on the planet Earth, and Earth has only one moon. And now my question is, how many moons are there in a solar system?
There are more than 200.
Yes, there are more than 200. Yes, in some place they have given more
It
than
is
200. In
200.
some place they have given more than 170. In some way they have given more than 95. I have to study about this. Exactly how many moons are there? Okay. Everywhere they have given different number. Okay. The moon, once again, see here. I'll share the screen. The moon is the Earth's nearest neighbor. Moon is Earth's nearest neighbor. You can see here in this picture. See Earth, and also you can see the moon here. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. The moon is the
Yes,
Earth's
ma'am.
nearest neighbor. You just see the planet Earth, and also they have mentioned moon over there. So it is a nearest planet. The moon is an Earth's nearest neighbor. When we look up at the sky, we see the moon shining brightly besides the star. It is called the natural satellite of the Earth. It moves around our planet like the Earth. Many other planets have small objects called natural satellites or moon revolving around them. See, we just have a look on this picture where you find a planet Earth and also the moon. The moon also has its fixed path, fixed orbit. Can you see that? How,
Yes,
how
ma'am.
our Earth and other planets they revolve around the sun the same way moon it rotates around the earth, it revolves around the earth. See there, moon also has its fixed path or fixed orbit to rotate around the earth, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So do you have any doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
I
Ma'am.
hope that
No,
you
ma'am.
have understood this lesson very clearly because of this PPT. Still, if you have any doubt, please ask. Yes, yes, ask. Yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
Mercury,
हाँ fast.
Mercury,
पूछो जल्दी जल्दी.
Venus is very hottest planet. Mercury is not hottest planet.
हाँ.
Why, ma'am?
Why? Because see, Mercury is the smallest planet and it is very closest to the sun. Yes, very hot during the day. Mercury is very hot during the day. As you said, it is very near to sun. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Has a very thin atmosphere. How our Earth has atmosphere cover, the same way Mercury also has a very thin atmosphere. Hence, heat is quickly lost at the night and it becomes very cold.
Yes, ma'am.
While it is very close to the earth and also very hot, and it gets hot quickly, hence heat is quickly lost at the night. ये बहुत गर्म भी होता है दिन में, और जैसे ही रात होते जाता है तो ये उतने ही जल्दी कोल्ड भी हो जाता है. And why?
Yes,
I have to study. Why it is like that? I have to study. I found this that very hot during the day and it has an atmosphere, hence heat is quickly lost at the night. But Venus is the second planet from the Earth, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and it is the hottest planet. Why it is hottest planet? Because a carbon dioxide is in atmosphere which traps heat. High percentage of carbon dioxide is present in the planet Venus. But that feature is not there in the Mercury. Maybe that is the reason it lost its heat quickly at night. But what happens in Venus? It has high percentage of carbon dioxide in its atmosphere which traps heat and it becomes a very hottest planet in our solar system. वीनस के अंदर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के मात्रा बहुत ही ज्यादा है, वो हीट को ज्यादा अब्जॉर्ब करता है और ये कूल नहीं होता है। मर्क्यूरी में क्या है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्रेजेंट नहीं होता है, तो इसलिए वो हीट भी होता है बिकॉज इट इज वेरी क्लोजेस्ट टू द सन, सो इट गेट्स हीट एंड जैसे ही रात हो जाता है वो क्विकली अपना हीट लॉस्ट करके कोल्ड हो जाता है because no presence of carbon dioxide in mercury. Understood?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, बोलिए कोई तो
सबसे लास्ट होता है, फिर भी पौराणिक हो सकते आपको।
I am unable to hear your voice clearly. Please speak clearly.
Ma'am,
What?
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
I am really sorry. I am unable to hear your voice clearly, children. Please come again.
ma'am,
Yes.
नेपच्यून हमारे सोलर सिस्टम से दूर का प्लैनेट है।
What? Neptune? Neptune?
सबसे ठंडा प्लैनेट बोलते हैं।
क्या बोला आपने? Neptune?
नेपच्यून तो हमारे सोलर सिस्टम का सबसे दूर का प्लैनेट है, फिर भी यूरेनस को सबसे ठंडा प्लैनेट माना जाता है।
नेपच्यून को ठंडा क्यों माना जाता है?
नहीं, यूरेनस को सबसे ठंडा प्लैनेट क्यों माना जाता है? नेपच्यून नेपच्यून तो सबसे दूर होता है ना।
नेपच्यून तो सबसे दूर होता है,
फिर भी यूरेनस को सबसे ठंडा प्लैनेट क्यों माना जाता है?
नेपच्यून तो सन से उतना दूर है ना? दिख रहा है आपको ये पिक्चर में? इट इज वेरी फार फ्रॉम द सन, इट इज वेरी फार फ्रॉम द सन एंड इट हैज गैसियस स्ट्रक्चर, इट हैज नो सॉलिड स्ट्रक्चर, it has a gaseous structure formed with gas.
Ma'am,
Yes.
first the people live in Mars. Now the people not living in the Mars. Why not?
Because the atmosphere should support the life, right?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो वहाँ का एटमॉस्फेयर लाइफ को सपोर्ट नहीं करता है, उससे ज्यादा पानी का होना भी जरूरी है। Like our earth is covered 3/4 of water, still we are suffering with the shortage of water. Atmosphere should support and there should be a proper atmosphere and other thing which support human life. Studies are going on. अपने मंगलयान, which movie that is? Mission Mangal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you see that movie. We had been to Globe Theatres to see that movie, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Still scientists they are studying on the planet. We don't know. Maybe in future we may go.
teacher,
Yes.
जुपिटर पे कौन-कौन से गैसेस का नाम?
Jupiter पे? Yes, tell me.
जुपिटर पे जो गैसेस हैं उनका नाम?
See, Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Has rings made up of shattered fragments from its inner moons. Because Saturn and Jupiter have most moons. Saturn and Jupiter have most moons. Is a gaseous planet having no solid surface. Your question is.
कौन से गैसेस हैं जुपिटर पे?
कौन से गैसेस है?
हाँ,
जुपिटर पे कौन से गैसेस है? हाँ, ओके.
मैम,
Yes.
मैम वीनस क्यों है?
Yes.
वीनस क्यों है?
Come again.
वीनस ज्यादा मेटल क्यों है?
वीनस पे ज्यादा
मेटल क्यों है?
वीनस पे ज्यादा मेटल क्यों है?
हाँ,
वीनस. If you can type, please type in chat box, children. Really, his voice is breaking. I am unable to hear. See, someone asked. See, just now one child, listen, just now one child asked, Jupiter में कौन से gases होते हैं? Jupiter has hydrogen gas and helium gas like the sun. Jupiter has hydrogen gas and helium gas. Is that clear? Somebody asked just now.
Yes,
Like a sun, Jupiter also has hydrogen and helium gas. Is that clear?
ma'am.
Yes?